friend, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will give the information about the Capgemini off-campus drive. If you have done your graduation in 2019 and 2020, then only watch this video. Otherwise please don't waste your time in this video. Or I am request to you, please share this video those have completed graduation in 2019 and 2020. So please watch this video at the end, so we will get all the detail. So Capgemini off-campus recruitment drive hiring for the freshers. Capgemini hiring BE Tech, MEM Tech, all branches. Those who have completed the graduation in 2019 and 2020. So who is eligible? The BE Tech, MEM Tech, pass out in 2019-20. You should 50% in a 10, 12 BE Tech and aggregate of a 4 semester. So must process excellent English written and spoke communication skill, must be open to relocate. Only shortlisted candidate will invited for this assessment. So selection process will be done virtual mode. So don't worry, you're not going to anywhere. So all this process done the virtual mode. So candidate will be responsible for arranging requirement of the infrastructure like the laptops and internet. So when these processes happen and what is the selection process? So first round is the technical assessment, then multiple choice question based on English and communication test, then game based aptitude test, then behavioral profiling, technical and HR interview. So total 3 to 4 round consist. One is aptitude test and second is the technical and HR interview. Very important, after registration you need to apply for the job profile to participate in this event. So I will give the link where you can apply. So last date of the registration is at 19 April 2021. So assessment will be conducted starting from the April 2022. So everyone not needed key you get the email at the 22 April. So day by day or 23 24 you will get the invitation for the assessment. So here I am posting the link where you can directly click and apply. So this is a link, click here to apply for a Capgemini off-campus. When you click on this, then directly redirected to the company official page. So here you see engineering and MCA batch 2019 and 2020 off-campus recruitment drive. So here also you get all this information about the assessment and the eligibility criteria and selection process. So you need to click here register now. After clicking this, you open the one form. You need to fill this all this detail in this form. So start registering. So in this form you need to fill all the detail, name, primary email, then your all the mobile numbers and information. When you fill all this information, you should press on a next and fill again what we mention in this form. I hope you will get all this detail in this video. Still any pending or you need to more information, then please comment. I will give the reply on a comment. So thanks for watching this video at the end.